Well, we're back on the C500 again today, doing a little degreasing underneath the cab and underneath the main body here. Underneath the green box, totally covered in oil and road grime, about an 1/8 inch thick. We're up to about a third of a 5-gallon pail here so far, plus everything that's on the floor, which I know it's dark, but hopefully you can kind of see. PTO hydraulic pump's leaking pretty bad, so that's probably contributing to a lot of this buildup. So a lot of fun crawling around under here under the grease. Couldn't get anybody to join me today, so that's the update for now. Got some paints in part for the blower motor on the cab heater. And we'll be tearing out the main body here in the next few days. So, more later. Thanks.